In this video, we will learn to do this. Download the software from links given below. Choose the file according to your system to check what system you are on. Search system information in Windows Search and see in System Type section. If it's x64, download 64-bit. If it's x86, then download 32-bit. You can change the net speed unit from KB per second to MB per second. Instead of download and upload letters, you can put symbols. Copy-paste it from description below. You can lock the taskbar once your icon's position is set as per your need. Here are the scan results of netspeedmonitor. Now to uninstall netspeedmonitor, open the same installer used to install it. Click on Remove.